Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating a makeup look using this Huda Beauty Nude palette. So I recently got this and I am absolutely loving this palette. So I'm going to be doing swatches and then I'm going to be creating up this look. But before that, let me just take you through the packaging. This is a very sturdy packaging, looks really luxurious, comes in this cardboard packaging which is very good to keep your eyeshadows protected. And apart from this, it comes with this very fine quality of mirror which screams luxury, and all the pigments and the glitters are absolutely stunning. There are eyeshadow details given on the back side of this palette. It has 18 eyeshadows, out of which 10 are buttery mattes, 4 are multi-reflective shadows, 2 are pressed glitters, 1 is pressed pearl, and it also has a concealer base which is really great and so unique. Let's quickly have a look at the swatches of these gorgeous eyeshadows. This is definitely an expensive palette which retails for 5,375 to be precise. This is available on Nykaa as well as Sephora, but in my opinion, I think it is worth it. It's definitely worth every single penny. This is definitely a go-to palette for every girl who loves makeup and who loves these glittery, shimmery eyeshadows. Okay, so before we start with the eye makeup, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also, please hit that bell icon. And now let's get started. So guys, I don't have any look planned in my mind. I'm just gonna go with the flow. But to be honest, I really like these 3 metallic pigments. I think these are multi-reflective shadows. So I'm gonna be creating look around these only. So keeping that in mind, I think I'm gonna go ahead with this shade called Tickle. I'm going very light-handed because I think they are very pigmented. So I'm just going to blend it above my crease. This shade Tickle is really pigmented and it is a very beautiful pink shade. I'm taking this blending brush and just simply blending this shade. So we are done with the shade Tickle, and I think I'm gonna go ahead with the shade called Spank now, which is a dark tone berry color. So I'm going to blend this shade Spank in my crease. So I'm done with the shade Spank now, and I'm going to pick this shade Love Bite, which is a very dark plum color, and I am going to apply this shade around the outer corner of my eyes. And now I'm going with the shade called Fantasy. I'm using my fingers to use these multi-reflective shadows, and I'm going to apply this on the center of my lid. Such a gorgeous shade, guys. This is such stunning shade. Look at it. It is very blinding and very nice shade. I really like it. Now I'm going with the shade called Crave. This is another multi-reflective shadow. Just look at it, guys. This is super stunning shadow. Really gorgeous. And I'm just going to apply this in the center of my lid. I'm mixing it with this another multi-reflective shadow. Stunning shades. I really like these gorgeous multi-reflective shadows. They are super stunning. So I'm again going with the shade called Spanned, and I'm going to be blending it in the lower lash line. And I'm mixing the shadow with the shade called Love Bite, which is our darkest plum. I'm just blending it around the outer corner of my inner lower lash line. So I'm going with the small pencil brush and I'm going ahead with the multi-reflective shadow, which has a name called Crave, and I'm just gonna blend it in the inner corner of my eye. As you guys can see, there is a very small amount of fallout after using these multi-reflective shadows. It's not a lot that would bother me, so it's absolutely okay with me. So I'm just gonna dust it off from my under eye area. So I've used the shade called Crave in the inner corner of my eyes to sort of pop out the whole look. So I'm going ahead with this pencil liner from Pack Cosmetics. This is a long-lasting Kohl pencil in the shade called Skin, and I'm going to use this pencil liner in my waterline. So that's how the whole look has turned out, and to complete this look I'm going to be using a mascara, and I'm going ahead with my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and after this I'm going to be using falsies to take this look to another level and make it look more glamorous. So I'll be back in a minute. Let me apply falsies. Okay guys, so I have applied eyelashes and the mascara, and to outline my lips I'm going ahead with this Huda Beauty Trendsetter lip liner. To complete this look, I'm going ahead with this Cult Classic MAC Meher. This is a really cute and pretty pinkish nude color. Set my face, I'm going to be using this MAC Prep Plus Prime Fixing Spray, and I'm going to just shake it well and then spritz it all over my face. I'm going to let it dry for a minute. Okay guys, so that's the whole look that I've created, and I'm really happy the way this look has turned out. It is very glamorous, very pretty. I really like how my lipstick is complementing my eyeshadow look. To be honest guys, this is the most versatile palette I have till date in my collection, and I simply love it. I'm totally obsessed about this eyeshadow. It is absolutely amazing. This is not the only look that I'm going to be creating. I'm going to be definitely creating a lot many looks from this one, because I need to try every single eyeshadow from this palette because they are so amazing and they are so versatile. It's easy to create very wearable looks, as well as you can use these pop of shimmers on your eyes and look super duper glamorous. I really like this palette. I hope you like this makeup look, the swatches and the full detailed review about this eyeshadow palette. If so, then please definitely like my video, and also please subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram for more fashion, beauty and travel related content. So I will see you in the another video. Till then, take care. Bye.